Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and as you can see, this is my new sketchbook. And because I am going to do pencil artwork after a very long time, after so many months, so I thought why not start it freshly in a new sketchbook. So today's video going to be very simple, a landscape with trees and moon in a circle. For the big circle, I'm taking a bowl to make a perfect circle, and inside that I'm going to draw my painting, my landscape scenery actually. So for my upcoming videos also I'm going to do some pencil artwork, because some of my friends are telling and some subscribers are telling, and also some neighbors are asking me to do some pencil sketches, pencil artwork. So this is what I'm doing for a month, or maybe for 2 months, or maybe roughly around 12 to 15 or 20 sketches or artwork I'm going to do with pencil. Okay, mostly it will be just the black pencil, but I'm also thinking about why not use the color pencil. Sometimes, not in this video, not in all my videos, but yes, I love using color pencil also, so I'm going to use that in some of the videos if they are flowers or if beautiful dresses, something like that. So what I'm planning is my upcoming videos will include some landscapes, some girls doing casual stuffs, like girls in the garden with butterfly, or in the kitchen, or wearing beautiful dresses like that, and of course some flowers, and some doodle arts with seasons and rainy day drawing and sketches. And I don't know, I have not planned everything, but yes, these are some of the thoughts coming to my mind right now. And today's video is very simple, so watch it till the end. It's a very short video actually, and you can also draw along with me. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, watch my video, and share my videos with your friends, and keep drawing something nice. Keep up the good habit of making some art. This is very relaxing. I keep telling it repeatedly, and today also I'm telling the process of making art is very relaxing, very healing. You must try it. And that is what I wanted to tell you. And okay, so you watch my video. Have a good day. Bye bye.